strong rally ahead of CPI tomorrow and the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Up 75.55 on the 250K portfolio, up 14.25 on the 50K portfolio. Reduces our drawdown and distance to less than 6% from our May 5th equity peak. And up on the week, first trading day of the week. Up on the month, quarter, and year. We will not trade on Wednesday since it's FOMC. Tomorrow is CPI, and the market has just anticipated the results and rallied, and it almost looks parabolic. We are 13.4% away from the all-time highs in the Nasdaq 100. This is the cash index numbers, 14,784.30 on the $NDX.X and in TradeStation, and then the 10,440 lows were 41% away. 41% away from the October lows. And so this market, this rally may not make sense from a fundamental perspective, but the main thing to consider is just the massive liquidity that just drives it up, and it's been doing that with QE, and old habits die hard. You know, if there's trillions of dollars on the sidelines and prices are overvalued and markets are overbought, you know, a lot of that money just continues to do that anyway, just automatically pushes the market higher. And if trillions of dollars just keep flowing in no matter what, there starts to be FOMO and you get these parabolic moves. And so anticipating all-time highs, every time the market looks a little bit wobbly, I anticipate that the market could sell off a little bit more before rallying again, but we're not getting much of a sell-off, and these sell-off days end up being you know, good days to eventually go long, because the market will get a little wobbly, sell off, and then rally, and get a little wobbly, sell off, and then rally. And so we're continue to see this pattern in this market. Let's look at the markets today. Very interesting dynamics here in this market environment. The VIX was up today, up 8.5%, while the S&P was up 39 points, 0.9%, and the Nasdaq was up 1.75%, or 257 points. It's up to 15,009 in the after hours, so it busted through 15,000. It had a high of 14,999.5 during the day session, and then, you know, this is 4:15, and then from 4:15 to 5, it still trades on the non.D symbol, and it went up to it closed at 15,009.50 with the, let's see, yeah, that was where it was at. So Russell was also up 0.5% today too. So the Russell wasn't down. It started out down, traded down here, and then it moved higher. And what's interesting, I mean, the VIX was up significantly today, 8%, after it's been in the 13 and 14 handle. And you know, the volatility is so low, it seems like, you know, the VIX would go up regardless of the direction. Oftentimes, if VIX is up on the VIX means down on the indexes, but this could just mean there's a big move about to happen. And you know, we're you know, 1,700 points away from all-time highs, and that's you know, we've seen 500 point plus days in the Nasdaq. So it wouldn't take long to get there if the market really got going and FOMO really kicked in. And so the ticks the high was only 933. You know, not really that strong on the NYSE tick, the broader market. Advanced decline line, not really that strong. The high was 669 today in the broader market. While all these markets traded higher, the VIX was higher. You know, it's almost, you know, if you just look at the market internals, this is bearish, but difficult to short this market. So we took long trades and we're profitable on those today. That's the direction the market was moving. Would have been nice to have more long trades. Mostly long. We had some short trades on the counter trend trade. Tick wave up 1237.50. The S&P strategies, let me see, they were 2 for 4. So we had these long trades had a long trade on tick wave, had the opening chop trade plus 537.50, but the tick count trend and the tick fader are counter trend shorts, and those lost on the day. Minus 425 and minus 625. Our strong point today was in Nasdaq. Nasdaq strategies were 5 for 6 on the strategy count. Now Viper took 3 trades and was 3 for 3. EVP1 caught that end of day trade EVP1's been in a drawdown. It's really been, this signal has really been calling reversal points because any momentum has been reversed. And so, you know, this one really got going. It pulled back and then it went again. So Nasdaq won at 15,000, and on CPI, you know, I keep thinking that, you know, CPI, the market has already anticipated inflation going down, and so if we get more favorable, if the market sees more favorable news, wouldn't be surprised to see 15,500 quickly. If there is a surprise in the market, we could see a big sell-off too. So we're flat at the end of the day. We're ready to take long or short trades tomorrow. And the CPI number comes out before the market, 1 hour before the day session starts tomorrow. So EVP1, both of these, this one takes long and short trades. This one takes long only. And so both of these are up 1330 on the day. Tick reversal up 2350 on the day. And Robot was down on the day, stopped out, tight stop loss there, minus 425. Otherwise, it would have been a little bit bigger stop, would have had a huge winner. Zigzag plus 675. So once again, these are the trades on the day for the first trading day of the week on June 12th, 2023. We are working our way, working to work our way out of this drawdown. Looking forward to seeing the CPI report, sitting out on Wednesday, and then trading again on Thursday and Friday. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.